If our favorite team is not playing, we often support the weaker side or the underdogs. When the underdogs defeat a stronger team, it makes us feel happy and the game is remembered for a long time. For example, it is quite hard to remember every Aussie win when they were at their peak, but we remember a lot of matches when they got defeated. Why? Because nobody used to expect Australia to lose, so whenever they lost, it was a story to tell. This is called an upset in sports language. When a weaker team defeats a stronger team, it is an upset. The bigger the gap between the two sides, the bigger the upset. ODI cricket has delivered some of the most stunning and memorable upsets. Here is Cricket Imagination presenting the 5 greatest upsets in ODI cricket history. At number 5 in our list is when Kenya defeated West Indies in the 1996 World Cup. Nobody expected a contest when the two-time world champion West Indies faced Kenya in the 1996 World Cup. Well, it didn't turn out to be a contest actually. Kenya were put into bat after West Indies won the toss, and the Kenyan batting didn't surprise at all. They finished with a total of 166 runs. The West Indian batsmen were expected to finish the game with overs to spare. Well, that is exactly what they did. The West Indies batting featuring the likes of Brian Lara, Shivnarine Chanderpaul and Richie Richardson were all out for 93 in the 36th over, handing Kenya a win of 73 runs. Fourth in our list is when Kenya defeated Sri Lanka in the 2003 World Cup. Another Kenya win makes our list. Kenya had a dream run in the 2003 World Cup, reaching the semi-finals. Batting first, Kenya put up a respectable score of 210 for 9, but the Sri Lankan batsmen were expected to achieve it without any issues. Sri Lanka had a great batting lineup with the likes of Marwan Attapattu, Sanath Jayasuriya, Mahela Jayawardene, Arvinder De Silva and Kumar Sangakkara. However, Collins Obuya's leg spin was too hot to handle for the Sri Lankan batsman. He finished with a 5-wicket haul and Sri Lanka were bowled out for 157. At number 3 in our list is when Bangladesh stunned Pakistan in the 1999 World Cup. Pakistan were at their peak in the 1999 World Cup. They had defeated West Indies, New Zealand and the mighty Aussies before facing the minnows Bangladesh. Nobody thought that Bangladesh can even compete with Pakistan, but what happened next catapulted Bangladesh into Test cricket. With handy contribution from all batsmen, Bangladesh posted a very respectable score of 223. The target was very gettable, but the Pakistan top order collapsed to some very handy bowling from Khalid Mahmood. They lost their first 5 wickets for just 42 runs. Pakistan's lower order fought hard, but in vain. They ended up losing the match by a huge margin of 62 runs. At number 2 in our list is when Zimbabwe defeated Australia in the 1983 World Cup in their first appearance ever. Zimbabwe were playing their first official ODI game against the mighty Australian team. It was a World Cup opener and Zimbabwe stunned everybody. Batting first, Zimbabwe posted a very good score of 239 on the board. Their captain, Duncan Fletcher, led from the front with a 69 against the likes of Dennis Lillee and Jeff Thompson. Australia started well by scoring 61 runs without the loss of any wicket, but it was Fletcher again, this time with the ball, picking up 4 top order Australian batsmen to set up a huge upset, probably the biggest in the World Cup history. Before discussing the number 1 upset on this list, here are some honourable mentions. Topping our list is when Bangladesh surprised Australia by defeating them in 2005. This had to be on top of the list. Whenever I hear the word upset in cricket, this is the first match that I remember. A full-strength Australian side in 2005 being defeated by a weak Bangladesh team. Every cricket fan knows how difficult it was to defeat Australia between 1996 to 2007. Even if a top team used to defeat Australia, it was kind of an upset. Such was their dominance, and here was the 10th ranked team beating a full-strength Australian team. Bangladesh had won only 9 matches out of the 107 matches at that point of time. 7 out of these 9 came either against Zimbabwe or non-test playing nations. Australia batted first in the match and scored 249 runs despite having a shaky start. Bangladesh required 250 runs against the like of Glenn McGrath, Jason Gillespie, Michael Kasprovic and Brad Hogg. It seemed unachievable. but the talented Mohammad Ashraful finally decided to play a knock worthy of his credential. He scored runnable century to guide Bangladesh to the biggest upset in cricket history. And that was the list, guys. Please help us by liking this video and subscribing our page if you like it. Also hit the bell icon to get notifications of our future videos. If you have any suggestions for us, kindly write it down on the comment box.